Let us try to install Airgeddon using the normal way, which is using apt-get install. So we will type apt-get install followed by the name Airgeddon and see what happens. So there is no such thing. So Airgeddon is not in apt-get. We have to search for it online, and then we will find that there's a GitHub repository. So head over to this GitHub repository, and this is created by visitor, the author of this program. Click on this clone or download and copy the GitHub link. Then open your terminal. I'm using Terminator. And then type git clone and then paste the GitHub link which you copied and press enter. So it will now download the GitHub repository for Airgeddon and copy the files into your current directory. And now if you were to type, you can enter the folder cd Airgeddon. If you type Airgeddon now, you will find that it will start the program. And you'll notice the first thing it does is scan for the Airgeddon dependency files, and you find that there are missing files. It will be shown in red. So these are the things which you need to install. So what we do is we are going to install them one by one. So we type apt-get install, and the first one is asleep. And so it will go ahead and install asleep. The next program that we will install is the betacap. So type apt-get install betacap. Next we will install mdk4, and after installing mdk4, we will install host apd. Beef is not necessary for our course, so you can skip that. Then we'll install light httpd. So type apt-get install light httpd, press enter. Now we've finished with light httpd. We can go ahead to the next one, which is to install the dhcpd. So type apt-get install isc-dhcp-server, and it is installing the dhcp for me now. Next we will install the DNS spoof. So just type apt-get install DNS spoof, and we are done. You don't need to install host apt wpe. Okay, now that we finished installing everything, you can rerun the Airgeddon sh file, and it will check again to see anything missing. If anything is missing, you can go ahead and install it if you want, or you can skip some of the optional files, which I've already discussed earlier. So that's it for the installation.